All right, so this is the problem that you sent to me. Hope everything's going all right. I meant to say that good evening. Hope everything's going all right. Hope everything's going well. So this is the problem that's sent to me. So to show you how to graph it, what I would do first, let's say if I didn't know what I was looking at, I would go to a graphing calculator. If I didn't have one, I would go to Desmos Graphing. That normally works well. So here, Desmos Graphing Calculator. The problem was 3 plus log base 4x. So I'll plug it in, 3 plus, and go to your functions right here. Base 4, x. And so there's your graph right there. So let's know what type of graph you should be looking for when we try to graph it in MathLab. All right, so go to your graph and notice we got this right here versus this one. So let's need this one right here. This one is exponential. This is logarithmic. And so just tap on the graph and we're going to shift up 3, vertical shift. Save that. And then also we need, and I just found this out too, mess around with this problem. You need a vertical line to represent our vertical asymptote that's here. And so we get this dotted line and then hit this linear tool to graph a linear function. And we just hit 2 buttons on this x equal to 0 that represent your asymptote. Hit save. So notice we have a vertical line and the logarithmic function. And that should be it. Yep. And then from here, what's the vertical asymptote? Your vertical asymptote is always x equal to a number. That'll give you a vertical line. In this case, is the y-axis. So that's going to be x equal to 0. Then your domain is how far you can go left versus how far you can go right. And so the farthest we can go left is 0. So, of course, that's my asymptote. So that means you never reach it. So it should be parentheses on 0. And then it goes to the right to positive infinity. And always parentheses on your infinity. You can never reach that. And then your range is how far you can go up versus how far you can go down. So it knows it goes down to infinity. And this goes gradually up to infinity. So parentheses negative infinity and to positive infinity. And that should be it. All right, that's it. Let me know if you have any more questions. Take care.